Welcome back for another episode, everyone. I first off want to start off the video by saying thank you to everybody that has subscribed to my channel. 100 subscribers so far, just a little over, and it feels amazing. So thank you for all the support, likes, shares, comments. You guys are amazing. I do look forward to the next 900. That 1,000 mark is my next goal. So if you are new to the episode, please hit that subscribe button at the very end of the episode and join myself and the others on my rebuild project that I'm working on. So wanted to thank everyone again, so I'll see you in the garage.
Get to making with jive, boy, and shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shine. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, indeed, yes, you holler, yes. 1, 2, 3.
So here's what we're looking like right now. I've just been using this 3M stripping pad to kind of bring down the whole clear coat on the car. I've kind of just been going over the whole car in both directions, you know, crisscross hatch patterning, kind of bringing it down. You know, we're not really looking to like scuff the shit out of it and really bring it down to like its original primer or anything like that, but what we're looking to do is just give that clear coat a good scuff. So when I go ahead and throw on that epoxy primer that has good adhesion to it, these were some rust spots here. You can see that I've kind of just worn away down with the mouse pad, making sure I kind of got down to the bare metal so I can treat these and get these sealed up properly. But so far, we're just going to keep on going around the whole car. I have to take off a lot of things. I'm going to take these side trim pieces off, handles off. I'm going to take the molding out from the window, making sure that I can get behind there nicely. Pretty much everything that can be still taken off to get sanding done behind it. I'm going to go ahead and do it. Obviously, we're not going to rush this, so let's just keep on working at it and see how things turn out.
Whoops, the daisy. You broke one.
So here's the Honda for this evening. I honestly didn't get as far as I wanted to this evening, but I managed to get the trim off on both the driver and the passenger side. The door handle I got removed, and I think this is called the lock rod. It always seems to be something that gets seized up that I have such a pain trying to take out, so it chews up a lot of my time, and it did this evening once again. So I still managed to get a little bit extra scuffing done on top of what I did this afternoon. So things are shaping out quite nicely, and I do look forward to the next few days because this is going to start looking pretty nice. So that's gonna wrap up this evening's episode, guys. Once again, I do want to thank everyone for the support and subscribing to the channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the button right there and subscribe. Also, I'm gonna link up a card right now that's gonna pull up a previous video of 3 colors that I posted on what colors I was planning to go with on the car, letting it be up to you to vote on one. So go ahead and check out that video, leave a comment, or go ahead and access the poll there and vote on a color. And I'll see you guys in a couple days in the next video.